Hi, today I'm for the Oppo A57s and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's open the box. So we can find and see here the USB Type-C cable and the charger brick, the original one with all of the specs, so we can check it. And in this paper box, let's open it, and here we can find the warranty card, the quick start guide and the safety guide. So also we can see here the SIM jack tool. And that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.